Playboy, 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 playboy.
Hey guys, it's Madison. Welcome back to my channel. I just posted a little tutorial of me doing my hair on my TikTok and y'all blew that up in like 2 hours, which is amazing. So I just decided to post it tonight, even though I was going to post it like on Monday. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. If there's any questions, comment them down below. I will try my best to answer them. But I just want to let y'all know I used the Freetress Waterwave hair. I used 6.5 packs of it, and then the products you saw in the beginning is what I used on my hair. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay, we on the last one now. Just like that. This is actually a very quick hairstyle. It really doesn't take that long. The longest part is parting, of course. This is really easy. Very easy hairstyle. So yeah. If I would have done this in all one sitting, it'll probably take me about 6 hours to do, because it took me about 1.5 hours to part my hair. I'm lying, 1.5 hours to 2 hours, because I got a lot of hair and my hair is super thick. So it takes me a little bit longer to part my hair and get it how I want it to be. So we're gonna put it through. Okay, so you have it in. So I'm gonna leave this one about a little past my natural hair and then pull this one longer. And then we're just gonna wrap it tight around the root so it can stay a couple times, probably about 3 times. And then we're gonna continue to wrap, pointer finger like this, kind of loop it to make it a little distressed. It's all tangled around my arm and stuff. And another thing I like to do is kind of pinch it. So like right here, I'll just pinch a little part tight, wrap it around, and then pinch it. You know what I mean? To get that little distressed look. If you're having trouble with it. Oh my gosh, it's stuck around my arm. What I mean by pinch it is, so right here we're gonna pinch it with this. So we're gonna pinch a part of it while we wrap to get that part right there. That's what we're looking for. And I will be mostly wearing it in the side part, so I'm doing it to make it look like a bob, a blunt cut. So yeah, but I'll end it right here. And to show you how I flip it again, where I want to end it, just flip it like so, and then wrap around there. And when you flip it, you want to wrap it tight so it won't come undone. Okay, so I'm done now with it, and it actually looks very cute, and I'm 100% sure my edges, when I do my edges, it'll make everything look better. I'm gonna go in and fix these. You see I saw it kind of slipped right here, so I'm gonna go back over this. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Take a strand. If you want this, what you're gonna do, if you want to make it thicker, get rid of the curl, like take the hair, get the part that you want, get the part that you want, put it like that, and then just start wrapping guys, so I'm done, and I'm going to go back through my hair with individual strands and just fix some of the curly ones that I want fixed. And then okay, now I'm just gonna get ready and I'll come back when I'm all ready. There we go. Okay guys, so I'm back. I'm done with everything. Here's the final look. I like it. I really like it. This is something new for me because every time I have extensions in, or if I have my bundles in or braids or something like that, it's always at least touching my butt. I've never had anything short like this before, other than my natural hair, and I just got a curly wig that's about this length too. But for like braids and locks and twists and stuff, it's always been past my butt. So this is something very different, but this is really cute. I'm really loving it. The whole distressed look. I was kind of nervous at first, like, cause like when you doing it from the back, you only just see that much and you just be like, is this gonna look right? Like, but I promise you, when you finish the top, the last one, it just like all pulls in together. So I think it's worth it. This hairstyle was super easy, super quick, very beginner friendly. I did go to the beauty supply and I got these little cuffs with the shells on it, so I'll be putting those on later. I'll be looking around for some hairstyles to do with this, and maybe I'll film a video. But I really follow, hold on, for my edges I use the Style Factor Edge Tamer Edge Booster in the scent Blueberry, and I have one that's cherry. I don't like cherry scents. I don't know why I got the cherry one, but I don't like cherry scents and I don't like cherry flavor anything. I just think it's not good. But this is blueberry, and this right here smells so good. Oops, it smells very, very well. So, but yeah, here's how it looks. I'll show you guys the pack. I like to do my hair on the floor. So this, I don't know, y'all, this is so cute. I'm so glad I went through with this hairstyle. I'm gonna say shout out to this one girl. I need to look up her name, but I'll just put it right here. That's her YouTube name. I looked at her tutorial. It was very, very helpful. I went for the same style as her because, you know, she kind of went for the blunt look, and like that's always the look I'm going for. I love blunt cut bobs and whatever. So her video really helped me out. So if my video isn't that helpful, go check hers out because hers was great. And you know, yeah, so I counted it and I have 50 locks in my hair. 50. And yeah, you just like, it's just so cute when it's distressed. I don't know. And I assure you, like, if I would have just sat down and did it in one sitting, it probably took me like 6 hours to do, because yeah, it wasn't that hard to do. Very, very easy, very, very beginner friendly. I might start doing these on other people because I already do braids on other people, but I might start doing these on other people because it's just easy and quick, like, and I love it. Oh boy. So okay, let me show you all what I did off camera. All I did was just put some mousse on it, and then I just did my edges like hours ago. That's why they look like this, but did my edges hours ago, and then that's all I did. And I'll put these in later maybe, but I like it. Okay, so I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.